Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Clash of Clans connection errors unable to connect to server. So if you have any of these issues when you are playing Clash of Clans, I'm going to show you how to fix these issues. So first you can actually just hold the app from here and go to the app info. After that from here you will have a lot of options. The first one is to go to storage and cache, and then you need to click on clear cache. After that go back, and from here you need to go to mobile data and Wi-Fi. Click on it, and now you need to make sure that background data is enabled. So if it's restricted from here, you need to just unrestricted and enable the background data so it won't have any connection errors. After that you can go back from here and actually go to your settings. So search for the settings app, open it, and after that you need to go to Wi-Fi and internet section. And from here you can actually make sure that the problem is not a Wi-Fi problem from your device or from the app itself. So if it's from the Wi-Fi options as see from here, you can try to reset the settings in the Wi-Fi from here by deleting the Wi-Fi that you have and re-entering the password. Also you can try to turn off and turn on the Wi-Fi as see from here. So if this didn't fix your issue, you can go to Clash of Clans app as see from here, and from here you can uninstall the app by clicking on uninstall. Then you can go to Google Play and reinstall it again. So that's it, thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.